It will not stand.
It will not stand. Nobody is going to trample on me. Nobody is going to trample on Nnadi Kanu. Mazi Nnadi Kanu is not a terrorist. He's a man that was pursuing change. To pursue a separate nation of yours is not a crime. So in Nigeria today, if somebody says, don't be silly, you get convicted. Mazi Nnadi Kanu may broadcast, and so what? And you convict him for terrorism, for mere words in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. What kind of precedent is being laid? So from here, we are heading to the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal is the only court in this country, or the next court in this country, that sits as a jury. We are going to approach the justices there to check out what happened in court today. And we are pretty sure the justices will agree with us that today was the symbol of the travesty of justice that everybody has been suspecting all along. If the Court of Appeal disagrees with us, we head to the Supreme Court. But by God Almighty, Mazi Nnadi Kanu is not going to stand convicted.
Not at all.
Is going to get overturned. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Please, I want you people to get something right. I want you people to get something right. First of all, I want to talk to the Igbos that nobody should take laws into your hand. I'm assuring you, this judgment is predicated on our anger. Thank God that the judgment was extreme life and everybody watched it. You will see the anger in delivering the judgment. And it's not predicated on law. Now, I also want to let you know that this charge, that the investigation that gave rise to this charge was not investigated. Because Mazi Nnadi Kanu's statement, purported statement, was rejected by this court. And they did not tender any document as investigation report. That is to say, the investigation was not, the offense was not investigated. Having said that, also something that happened in court today, Mazi Nnadi Kanu filed a matter in Court of Appeal, and he is asking, my lord, that particular matter I filed in Court of Appeal anchored on this particular issue. Please, can you just suspend this judgment? Let Court of Appeal direct what to do. My lord refused. Now, on the issue of anger, you journalists will bear with Mazi Nnadi Kanu that Nigerian government and the judiciary are not fair to Mazi Nnadi Kanu. What